Two object references are considered aliases when they both reference the same object. If we declare two strings using direct initialization, then these two references, str1 and str2, will reference the same string object in the pool, because we initialize them to the same string. Now we can compare object reference values using the equals equals and not equals Boolean operators. And this can be done to identify aliases. So for example, if str1 is equal to str2, which in this case is true, because str1 and str2 reference the same object, then this string is output to the screen. But as we can see, when we check if str1 is not equal to str3, this is also true, because we declared str3 using dynamic initialization with the object stored in a heap, and therefore str1 and str3 don't reference the same object, regardless of whether they have the same string value. So therefore, given str1 is not equal to str3, then this string is printed to the screen. Now classes often have their own equals method, and that can be used to determine if two objects of the class are equivalent. So as we can see, when we compare str1 with str3 using the equals method, this will evaluate to true, because the two strings are the same. So therefore str1 is equivalent to str3 is output to the screen. And we can also compare a reference value with null, and that can be done using both of these Boolean operators, and this is used to determine if the reference actually references an object. So as we can see, str4 does not reference any object, and therefore this Boolean expression will evaluate to true, and str4 is null is output to the screen.